So, let's read phonics word families of sound A. Let's read first am. Am. Now let's read words of am sound. D. Am. Dam. S. Am. Sam. R. Am. Ram. H. Am. Ham. J. Am. Jam. P. Am. Bam. Now move to the next sound. At sound. At. B. At bat. K. At cat. R. At rat. M. At mat. S. At sat. F. At fat. Now let's move to the N sound words. K and can. M and man. R and ran. T and tan. F and fan. B and ban. Now move to the add word sound. Add. B add bad. D add dad. H add had. F add fad. S add sad. M add mad. Now let's move to the app sound. App sound words. K app cap. T app tap. N app nap. S app sap. R app rap. M app map. Now let's move to the next sound word. Ag. Ag. B ag bag. N ag nag. T ag tag. S ag sag. W ag wag. R ag rag. Now let's move to the next sound. Ab sound. What is it? Ab. Let's read. D ab dab. K ab cab. N ab nab. L ab lab. T ab tab. F ab fab. Now let's move ag sound words. A k. A k. Sound words. Let's read. B ag back. R ag rack. P ag pack. S ag sack. T ag tack. L ag lack. So if you want to be familiar with sound A words, you have to follow me and you have to read the way I have read. Okay? I hope you like the video.